So when you get ready to go to mediation in your divorce case, you want to be ready to put forth your best self so that you can hopefully come to a resolution of your case. Mediation is a marathon, not a sprint. So it's really important to treat your body well, to get a good night's sleep, to make sure you're eating well, and that you're hydrated so that you can make good decisions and not let emotions take over. That is the best way that you can prepare for mediation and divorce. Before you go to mediation, you want to have at least a general game plan of what you want to achieve in that mediation process. Put together a wish list. These are the top 5 things I want to walk away with from mediation. These are my non-negotiables, and these are the things that I'm willing to negotiate about. And you want to make sure you've sat down with your lawyer ahead of time before the mediation so that you can go through that wish list. Your lawyer may say, well, this thing you're not likely to get in court, so you want to maybe be a little bit more flexible on that. But it should be a joint process where you talk through it together and your lawyer understands what's really important to you. Most mediations are going to be an all-day process, and sometimes they can be a long one. So it's important to be prepared. It's a marathon, not a sprint. You want to make sure you've reserved as much time as possible so that if it needs to go a little longer, if you're getting close and you just need some more time, that you have that time available. So if you've got kids, make sure that you've got daycare set up ahead of time. You've got people to pick up the kids from school and handle those issues. Make sure your employer knows that it's going to be all day. And again, make sure that you are physically and emotionally prepared for that long process. Bring snacks, have water. You want to be in the best emotional and physical state that you can be and not be worried about a lot of other things so that you can come to the best resolution for you. When it's time to mediate your divorce case, it's really important that you are in the proper headspace. If you are only focused on court and what the outcome would be in a trial, then it's going to be really hard to think about ways that you can resolve it outside of court. Now, you may not end up resolving things outside of court. You don't have full control. Your spouse, your soon-to-be ex, is making decisions that they think are best for them, and that may not align with what you want. But in order to increase the likelihood that you guys are able to come to a resolution that works for both of you, you have to be willing to give a little, to get a little. And you have to be willing to say, I know I'm not going to get 100% of what I want in order to come to a resolution. These are some great tips to prepare for mediation in your divorce case. If you have any questions at all, please give us a call at DeFord Law Firm.